In these uncertain times, making the right choice is crucial, as is understanding what's next in the ever-changing F&B landscape. The Singapore government's 30 by 30 vision aims to strengthen our food security and sustainability, making Singapore Asia's leading food hub through innovation and productivity transformation. Cloud kitchens are essential at a global level to accommodate leaner manpower operations. With the use of digitalization and technology to meet local and international consumer demands. You can now maximize your resources with your own central manufacturing and processing facilities, unveiling the next generation of food factory. CT Foodnex, situated 27 minutes from the city in the highly sought-after District 25 food zone. This freehold investment lets you ride on the future potential of the new Sungai Kadut Eco-District. Its close proximity to amenities, the vibrant UT and Woodlands neighbourhoods, and being just minutes away from the causeway, gives you easy access to manpower and raw ingredients. With ramps leading up to every floor, you can drive right up to your doorstep, giving you direct access to your units. Generous driveways facilitate fast turnarounds in operations and ensure there are no hassles when loading and unloading your products. For fine food trading businesses that require cold room facilities, choose units with mezzanine floors to use as a rest area or office to suit your operational needs. Whether you're setting up a food tech startup, microbrewery, or a collaborative kitchen, CT Foodnex is the latest and most highly sought-after freehold food factory. Build your automation and technology for seamless operations and create endless possibilities for your business. CT Foodnex, your recipe for success. Seize this opportunity now with any of the choice units on sale.
My name is Choo, ready to help you secure your choice units.